Children, today I am going to discuss about the angles. Part 2, today I am going to discuss about the angles. In part 1, I have given you about the angles, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. These answer I have given and all the definition also given. So please you will learn. Now today I am going to discuss about the adjacent angle. First, what do you mean by adjacent angle? Adjacent. Just you are going to you are going to adjust with whom? With your family, with your friends, with your society. So similarly, adjacent angle. What do you mean by adjacent angle? Two angles. Adjacent means two angles. At least how many there? Two angles are called adjacent angle if first they have the same vertex. See this one. AOB and AOC, two angle is there. So two angle is there, vertex O is common for AOC also and BOC also. They have a common arm. OA is common arm because this OA is going to, otherwise BOC is only one angle. OA is going to divide. So AOC and AOB are two different angles and they are called adjacent angles. Their other arms are on different sides of the common arm. See this one, OA is common, OB and OC and OB are in different sides. Understood? So what is their angle? You can write it angle AOC and angle AOB are called adjacent angle. What is it called? Adjacent angles. Understood now? Linear pair. Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if the sum of their measure is 180 degrees. Just I am writing one straight line is there. This is AOB. So this is called angle AOB. This is the straight angle. Understood? Now one line is going to meet OC. What is the name? OC. So angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to what you will write? 180 degrees. This angle can be written as angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Now you can take it is angle 1 and angle 2. So what is that one? You can write in short form. You can write it angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. All are going to indicate the same angle. Understood now? Angle 1 plus angle 2, 180 degrees. Angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. Means if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, it is called linear pair. Understood now? Now, complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if their sum of magnitude of angles is 90 degrees. Now find the complementary angle. Find the complementary angle of 60 degrees. 60 degrees. What it will do? As I have given definition, the sum of two angles 90 degrees. So now its complementary angle, its complementary angles equal to what it will like 90 degree minus 60 degree. So what is its complementary angle? 30 degree is your answer. Understood now? Clear? To discuss about supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if their sum of magnitude of the angles is 180 degrees. Find the supplement. Find the supplement of 120 degree. Supplement of 120. Its supplement angle will be its supplement angle. Supplement angle. So now what you will do? As I have given you, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. No? So 180 degree minus 120 degree. What is your answer? 60 degree is your answer. Now understood? Vertically opposite angles. Two lines, if two lines which are not parallel, as you have studied, parallel lines do not intersect at a point. So AB, let AB and CD are two lines. How many lines is there? AB. This is the AB. And this one is CD. How many lines is there? CD. Two lines is there. They intersect at point O. Then how many angles is going to form? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In short form, what you will write? Angle 1 vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Understood now? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. This is called vertically opposite angle equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. I have given cross sign. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is also called vertically opposite angle. Now in mathematical, how can you write? Angle 1. Where is angle 1? AOC. AOC. So angle 1 in the place value of angle 1, you can write it angle AOC. Angle AOC. Now angle 3. Angle 3, how you will write? Angle DOB. Angle DOB. Now the another student is telling, no sir, I will not write this one. This is wrong. The another is telling, no sir, I will write angle COA. What he will write? Angle COA. So what do you think, it will become wrong? No. Angle AOC or COA will indicate the same angle. Similarly, angle DOB or BOD, angle BOD, it will also indicate the same angle, and this is called vertically opposite angle. What it is called? Vertically opposite angles. Now, what about angle 2 is equal to angle 4? What you will write? So dear student, angle 2, what you will write angle 2? Angle 2 you can write it angle AOD. Angle AOD. Angle AOD. This is angle 2 and equal to angle 4. Angle BOC you can write it. Angle BOC. Now the another student can write it. It can be written as angle 2, angle DOA equal to BOC, angle COB. What are these called? Vertically opposite angle. What is this called? Vertically opposite angles. Understood now? Now please listen. If two lines which are not parallel, which are AB and CD are not parallel, AB and CD, if parallel is there, they will not intersect at a point. So to form vertically opposite angle, two lines which are not parallel intersect at a point AB and CD. They are meeting at O point, so they intersect at O point. Then vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. This is called vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is also called vertically opposite angles. this angle 1 and 2 in different name you can write it. Angle 1. What is right angle 1? Either you write angle AOC or COA, both the angle, that is equal to angle BOD or DOB. Similarly, angle 2, angle AOD, angle DOA equal to angle 4. What is right? Angle BOC or angle COB. These are called vertically opposite angles. Understood now? Thank you.